Today marks exactly 60 years since Nacro was founded. That's 60 years of standing alongside people who need support, who need a second chance, or simply someone by their side. From 1966 right up to today, one thing has stayed constant. That's our belief in people's potential, no matter their past or their circumstances. And to mark this milestone, we're launching 60 Stories. That's a collection of 60 voices from across Nacro. These are stories from staff who show dedication and compassion every single day. And they're stories from volunteers who give their time to make such a big difference. And they're also stories from the people we support who show incredible resilience and remind us why what we do really matters. This is something that I've seen for myself since joining Nacro, and I'm committed to ensuring that we build on this going forward. Thank you to everyone who's shaped Nacro's story so far.